Hey everyone, welcome to Holistic Classes. So, in this video, we'll be learning about the various schedules mentioned in the Constitution, and along with that, we'll also learn a very good technique, a trick to remember their names very quickly. Because you see that in all the competitive examinations, whether it's the UPSC or the SSC, in all of these, there's a section called polity, and this section plays a very important role in your marks, in gaining the marks that you get. So in this list, schedules of the Constitution which are mentioned can be asked, and so you need to be very sure about these schedules. So let us learn about these schedules. So all you have to do is, there's a very good trick that I'm gonna tell you here. So what you need to do is just take the first letter of these schedules and you'll be ready with the mnemonic, and if you remember this mnemonic, then you will never ever forget these schedules name in future. So okay, let us begin with it. So the first is territories. This schedule talks about the territories in India. So we take the first letter, that is T, then emoluments, so it is E, then affirmation, that is A, then the Rajya Sabha, as you know, the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, the two houses, so it is that, R, then scheduled areas, some areas which are considered as the scheduled areas by the Constitution, so S, then other, SA means other scheduled areas, so it is O, so we take O here. Then the federal structure of India, where the executive, legislature and the state, the center, these are divided, so we take the F of this word. Then there's the official language, so the Hindi or the English, which will be the official language, so here's O. Then land reforms, these were very important because before India, as you know, there was a very hard zamindari system that was going on, so we brought this land reform schedule just after preparing our constitution in 1950, so it is L. Then defection, it is D. Defection means when there are some MPs and they try to change their parties in order to get some gains in the future, so for all of them we have this defection schedule in our constitution, so we take D here. Then this 11th schedule, it talks about the panchayats, so it is P, we take it. Then the municipalities, then M for this, so these are the urban local bodies which takes care about the cleanliness of the area that is given to them. So till the 9th schedule, till all these 1 to 9, these were mentioned in the original constitution, but later on from 9th to 12th, these from 1 to 12, these are the current number of schedules mentioned in our constitution. But before our constitution was prepared, like till 1950, there was only 1 to 9 schedules, so these all were added further in the time. So the mnemonic prepared is Tears of Old PM. So if you remember this mnemonic, then you will easily remember the schedule name. So Tears of Old PM. So that's all. So this is a very good technique that you guys can use in order to remember the names of these schedules, which people find it very difficult. So here you are with the solution, Tears of Old PM. So that's it guys for the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more good videos like this, and also don't forget to like the channel and comment down below and tell me that if you know any other technique, any other mnemonic for learning these things. Do share it with your friends.